flower's cheek. The music will play, the fruit will drown in the song. Tears fell on the flower's cheek. The music will play, the fruit will drown in the song. Without waiting for a reply, the flower disappeared somewhere. What? It groaned like a simmering pot of water. Tears fell on the flower's cheek. The music will play, the fruit will drown in the song. To nourish her baby, the mother carried milk upon her chest. She stood with 1,000 hands outstretched. The sun held the warmth of her sorrow. In the moments of farewell, water lines flowed. Compassion awakened, and the white clouds vanished as raindrops into the distance. The polar kudum was asleep. Tears touched the flower's cheek. The melody rang, the fruit was lost in the song. A little song was sung. The snow-kissed flower wandered in search of something, in search of someone. The wind had been drifting for so long. A golden crown lay hidden within the petals. Footsteps left behind, seeking help. A silence began to take shape. Somewhere, like a fading